Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Sephora Play. This is my first time getting this box. It is $10 a month plus tax. I pay $10.93 every month. Every box is said to be worth up to $65. And every month you get a beauty bonus of either a foil packet or a fragrance, perfume. And this is what your items come in. Now I know that people are not enjoying this new bag system that they have going on. They used to come in a cloth bag, if I believe. I like the fact for these little bags. Going out of town, you can put your stuff in there. You don't have to worry about it getting on anything else. Brushes, small palettes, lipstick, mascara, whatever. So let's get into this bag and see what's up. The first thing I'm pulling out is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is a Double Wear Stay in Place foundation in 2-in-1 Desert Beige. A super long wear matte foundation that covers imperfections and uneven skin tones. This company does have over 55 shades, which is great. The older I get, the less I use a liquid foundation. I feel that it goes into places that I do not want emphasized anymore. There is that foundation, which as you can see is a perfect match. I did buy this foundation, I'm going to say 2 months ago. It was not the right color. It actually suited my daughter, who is much lighter than I am. The next thing that I'm going to pull out is from Clinique. This is the Moisture Surge 72-Hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. A refreshing gel cream that boosts moisture and helps skin stay hydrated. And this is what that looks like. Now I have not tried this. I have tried the under eye gel that they have. And I like that. It does work. My hair is working against me today, totally. It does have a nice, clean scent to it, which is totally good. And it's not greasy feeling, which is also nice. The next thing that I'm pulling out is by Caudalie. Serve Up the Softness. It's a moisturizing sorbet. You apply a dime size amount morning and night to face and neck. I have not tried this either. It also has a nice clean scent to it and does not feel greasy, which is always much appreciated. The next thing I am pulling out is by Wonder Beauty. Heart of Gold Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. These are amazing. When I first joined BoxyCharm last year, my first box had these in them. I very much did appreciate receiving those. And these do work. I've tried some other ones that not so much, but these do. You can definitely tell a difference. You put it on your under eye and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and it does work. If you have not tried it, I recommend that you do so. The next thing is by Dolce Gabbana, The Only One, A Little Love Note. This is this month's bonus. It is a perfume. It's Fragrance Family, Floral, Top Note, Mocha Violet, middle note is citrus, and the base notes are jasmine and coffee. So let's see what that smells like. Anything that smells like coffee is a win-win for me. Well, I can't say that I smell the coffee per se, but it is a nice fragrance. I'm not mad at that. And the last thing in here is Lip of Your Life. It is a Bite Beauty Amuse Bouge lipstick in maple. This is what that looks like. You do get quite a bit of product for such a small container. And that's what that color looks like. A high impact lipstick in a rich brick red color with a soft creamy texture. Now, I have not had anything by Bite Beauty, so this will be my first experience with it. I do know that these are safe to eat. Not that I'm going to go grab a cup of coffee and have some lipstick, but it does make me feel better that they are safe, since, you know, you've been wearing lipstick for, count up the years, the long-lasting, no budge, no movement lipsticks. They were transfer proof, so every time you took a drink, or you ate, or you licked your lips, you were ingesting that. So this company, props to them, because it's a great idea. So that is what I got in my first Sephora play. I was very pleased with what I got. I can't wait till next month to see what I got. Comment down below. Let me know what you got in your Sephora play. Did you like what you got? Are you going to use what you received? If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Perhaps subscribe. Check out all the new content that I'm putting out. I'm still rather new to YouTube, so this is all very, very much new. But I did make that jump, and here I am. And as far as I can tell, I'm not going anywhere. So hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell next to it. Come join me on my videos. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye.